Growing zucchini and summer squash is fairly easy. I absolutely love the yellow flowers. It always puts a smile on my face. Some yellow flowers are male and some are female, and only the females will grow and produce fruit. They produce rather quickly, in a matter of a couple months. A fun fact is that zucchini and summer squash blossoms are edible too. There's lots of recipes to fry them up. Zucchini and summer squash are nutritious too. They're about 30 calories each.
Wow, that's huge.
There it is. Getting his way in there. You filming this? Here, watch this. The size of this thing.
Alex did a great job harvesting our zucchini and picking squash. Wow, look how big and hearty they are. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video.